thought it'd be really interesting because I'm on YouTube looking at guitar players and learning from them later in life. I thought that doing a video that could kind of offer tips for painters that are started later in life. So it's funny how the things in my life kind of inform this channel. So 3 tips for learning to paint later in life. It's never too late to start painting. Today I'm sharing 3 simple tips to help you get going and actually enjoy the process. Tip 1, set realistic goals. You want to start small and kind of keep it simple. One of the biggest mistakes that beginners make that I found is that they're trying to do too much too soon. And you don't need to paint a masterpiece right away. You want to start simple with shapes, color mixing, small studies. Think of it like you're learning an instrument. You wouldn't want to start with a full symphony, right? So when you're starting out, you want to focus on the small wins, finishing a piece, trying a new brush stroke or brush, and just getting paint on the canvas without overthinking. It's all about progress and not perfection. Tip number 2, practice consistently. Make painting into a habit. You know, the secret to really improving is that consistency. You don't need to spend hours every day. Just 15 to 30 minutes, a few times a week can make a huge difference. And the more you paint, the more comfortable you'll get. You want to set up a little art space in your home so it's easy for you to pick up the brush at any time. The key really is to just show up, even on days when you're not feeling inspired. Inspiration comes after you start a painting, not before. Tip number 3 is to find a supportive community. You want to surround yourself with other artists. You know, painting doesn't have to be a solo journey. Finding a community, whether it's a local class or an online group or even just a painting friend, it helps to keep us motivated and inspired. Shana and I noticed that our students in our workshops become a community afterwards. They share each other's posts on Instagram. They kind of connect on social media. You know, experiencing the same learning environment really bonds us, we found. Sharing your work with this group, getting feedback, seeing how others are growing can be really encouraging. And you got to remember that every great artist started somewhere, just like you. So if you're learning to paint later in life, here's your game plan. You want to start small, you want to make it a habit, and you want to find your people. The best time to start is right now. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps get this content out to more people. I'd love to hear from you guys also in the comments. Let me know what your best tips are for starting later in life, whether it's in art, music, or anything creative. I want to send a huge thank you out to everybody who's supporting the channel through Patreon. You guys make these videos possible. If you'd like to be a part of that community and get access to exclusive content, check out the link in the description. And if you're interested in attending one of my upcoming workshops, my in-person workshops, just scan the QR code that's on the screen and see what's happening in your area. Hope to see you guys there. And until next time, keep creating and paint well.